back to a brand new video of Neepu's vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. So guys, you might be wondering where I am. I am in my house's garden. So here I am here to show you guys a variety fruit. You must all know it, but still it's known as dragon fruit, and there is a lot of it in this time. Like, you know, this is the first vlog since we went to Qatar, and when we came here it was like so rainy and all, and we are enjoying most of it. And at the time in our house there is a lot of fruits, but now in this season there is dragon fruit. So we harvested a lot of it since my dad and all came, but you know, still there is a lot of it, and it's not so ripe, but still it is like, you know, not fully ripe, but still I'm going to, like, you know, grab one and show you guys. So that's the video all about. Anyway, let's go. So guys, this is the place where the dragon fruits are ready to harvest. So here there is a lot of plants, like one is this, and you can see there is a lot of it in, and here also there, and like in most of the areas of this part there is dragon fruit, and you know the grasses are fully like filled because you know it's rainy season. But you know, one person is here to cut this grasses so that we can walk. So there's a small sound, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but anyway we are here to show you the dragon fruits. I'm just getting to the point. So here it is, one of the plants in this area. So here there is like a lot of them, but we have to, you know, take the one which is really ripe. In this area also there is a lot of dragon fruit. And here you can see like a yellow color thing, which we can if we touch it, it won't be like, you know, ready. So we cannot touch the ones which are going to grow. So yeah, and these ones are going to turn into this type of dragon fruits, which is red color. And there is two various of these, like inside will be red or white. In our garden it's full of red ones, which is really tasty and sweet. So guys, this one is also dragon fruit, that is also dragon fruit. That, like, there is a lot of plants here of dragon fruit. So guys, here there is a chiku tree, and this is our lovely rambutan tree, which is one of my favorite fruits. So now it's not actually the season, but it's still like there is buds on it. This is also a rambutan tree. Basically there is a lot of trees here, but I don't know like which tree of which fruit it gives, but unless or until I see which fruit is in there. So now it's not the time for it. That's why I can't identify which is the one. And here there is like you know, mangosteen, aviu, rambutan, dragon fruit, like that different fruits are there. And there is a special like sweet tasty mangoes here, which is like so good. So we have picked some of it and it's in our house, so I will show it to you guys later. It's like so sweet, like yeah. So guys, as you can see, it's very bushy with grasses. We can't even walk. But you know, this is the nature of it, and it's way better in the screen and all with the greenery. So I thought of taking it earlier because the person who came to cut these grasses will cut it now, and then we can't get that beauty of it. So it'll be more beautiful when it's more greenery, right? That's why. Like, you know, there's like so many black of them. This is the one describes that it's really ripe and which is ready to eat. You can see, look. It's really sweet and it's have a really good color. It's a jumbo one, and you know, this is having like so many thorns on it, so it's like so hard to take it. We have to twist it and take, so it'll be more easy. So guys, and this is another variety of guavas, which will be like inside will be red in color. It's not ready yet, but still, yeah. A small plant. We bought it from the shop and we you know, planted it here. And here there is small oranges, and like, you know, it's very sour in taste, but the smell is really good. It's like really small. Like one of this is only this much. It's really sour. So guys, this is another variety of fruit which is known as sandal. I don't know if you're audible because the person who is cutting the grasses is here. So yeah, and here there is mulberries again, and there is a lot other fruits also. So guys, look at this. This is santhol. It's not ripe yet, but still, it's just growing. It's like very soft in the outer. There is another fruit which is known as ambayam in Malayalam, but actually I don't know what is the you know, English of it. That's why. So here it is, the tree of it. This one. And this one also. Guys, and here there is hen, which is not a plant but still, yeah. And here there is apple champaka, which is really sweet and really yummy. And this is normal govas. Before we saw you know, pink govas, right, the inside pink one. So this is normal govas. This is again mulberry, and this is also a big tree of govas. In the rainy season there will be lot of mangoes, which is so sweet, and in our house there is a tree which is like really close to us to grab it. So guys, here there is mangoes, which is not fully ripe, but it's just growing out. And here also there was branches, but we just cut it down because it was really big. And here there is a big tree of chiku. And there is mangosteen I told about. And also, you know what this is? This is passion fruit, which is really good. But now it's not that much in here. But still, as you can see, there is. And also one more plant is there, which is really rare, which is known as gag fruit. We got one of it in the last month, but now it's not there. But passion fruit is still growing on. And there is another lot of roses, like flowers and plants. And because we are watering the plant, the water is going through these fences and there is some dirt on it. So guys, in the inside of the dragon fruit is really red in color, which makes it so special, and the taste is so sweet. The ones we buy outside is like not so sweet. It's like eating some sort of water or something, but this is like really sweet. So guys, that's the video all about. Hope you enjoyed it. So we'll be coming back with another new video. So till then, bye. See you soon.